Hello friends and followers, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I may be called a techno freak. I am keen on different gadgets and inventions. So today we will talk about some inventions that have changed the world. By the way, the inventors were from Great Britain. Number 1 is the invention of a steam locomotive. As you can see from the name, this type of locomotive is powered by a steam engine. This kind of transport was first developed in Great Britain in 19th century. There are many inventions that we use every day. The inventors of some of them are very popular. Nevertheless, sometimes we don't even know who the author of the thing was. To talk about the inventions, we need some words. Accurately. Точно, тщательно. Apparatus. Аппарат, устройство. Appliance. Устройство, приспособление. Computing. Компьютеризация. Decade. Десятилетие. Detailed. Подробный. Dream. Мечта, мечтать. Electric motor. Электромотор. Establish. Основывать. Image. Изображение. Locomotive. Локомотив. Marvel. Чудо, диво, нечто необычное. Mile. Миля. Public. Публика, народ. Railway. Железная дорога. Steam train. Паровоз. String. Нитка, струна. Subject. Предмет. Transmit. Передавать. Transmitter. Передатчик. Wire. Провод. Wireless. Беспроводной. Take for granted. Принимать как должное.